Global climate change is the long term shift in weather patterns globally. Stop. It is a holistic concept which refers to the changes in a region's overall weather patterns, including participation, temperature, cloud cover, and other such conditions which prevail for a longer period of time. Stop. Para. The concept emphasizes on the change in Earth average temperature. Stop. Weather includes the short-term changes witnessed in a region's temperature, humidity, clouds and perception, etc. The weather may vary from one day to another and morning to evening. Stop. However, the climate is the weather condition prevailing over an area for a longer period of time. Stop. Para. There are several indicators to show that climate is changing. Stop. Some of them are mentioned below. Stop. According to the scientists, the accumulation of heat in the ocean is the strongest evidence of how fast Earth is warming. Stop. In recent years, ocean have absorbed 90% of the extra heat trapped by increasing greenhouse gases. Stop. Lower temperature as measured by satellites showed that 2010 was the warmest decade. Stop. The specific humidity has risen with change in temperature, which indicates that the climate is changing. Stop. Sea level has risen at an accelerating rate. Stop. There have been net loss of ice from galaxies worldwide. Stop. Northern hemisphere snow cover has also decreased in recent decades. Stop. Changes in rainfall and weather patterns also indicate towards the climate change. Stop. The climate change phenomena made favorable conditions for desert locust to breed consist of most sand and green vegetation in the desert region of Africa and Arabian. Stop. Other factors like earlier unfolding of new leaves in spring, change in bird migration patterns, etc. also show that climate is changing. Stop. Para. The Earth climate is dynamic and always changing through a natural cycle, but the climate changes that are occurring today have been speeded up because of man's activities. Stop. The causes of climate change can be divided into two categories: natural and man-made. Stop. Para. There are a number of natural factors responsible for climate change. Stop. Some of them are as follows. Stop. Para. The continents that we are familiar today are parts of larger landmass that begin gradually drifting apart, millions of years back. Stop. This drift of continent continue even today and has an impact on climate because it changed the physical features of the landmass, their position and the position of water bodies. Stop. For instance, the Himalayan range is rising by about 1 mm every year because the Indian landmass is moving towards the Asian landmass, slowly but steadily. Stop. Para. When a volcano erupts, it throws out large values of SO2, water vapor, dust and ash into the atmosphere. Stop. These gases and ash can influence climate pattern for years. Stop. Para. Ocean currents have been known to change direction or slow down and hence have an impact on the climate. Stop. The fluctuations in El Nino and La Nina lead to the interaction between the oceans and the atmosphere, resulting in the variation of global temperature. Stop. Such variations last for several days and hence impact the climate. Stop. The geothermal energy produced due to the heat and decay of radioactive compounds below the surface of the earth is one of the contributing factors to the rising temperatures. Stop. Para. There are several human factors which lead to climate change. Stop. Some of them are as follows. The Industrial Revolution in the 19th century saw the large-scale use of fossil fuels for industrial activities. Stop. The burning of fossil fuel is the largest source of greenhouse gases. Stop. It was responsible for rise in global temperature. Stop. More and more land that was covered with vegetation has been cleared to make way for houses. Stop. Natural resources are being used extensively for construction, industries, transport and consumption. Stop. These are the factors responsible for global warming. Stop. Para. Anything that has an impact on the amount of energy being absorbed and radiated from the sun is a contributor to the global climate change. Stop. One such process is the greenhouse gas effect, which leads to the global warming. Stop. The human activities have led to the rise in greenhouse gases, which have resulted in global warming. Stop. The GHGs have the potential to trap the heat from the atmosphere and keep the earth warm. Stop. Besides, deforestation, emissions from the vehicles and industrial effluents are some of the causes of the rising of GHGs in the atmosphere. Stop. Para. Global climate change has already had observable effect on the environment. Stop. Glaciers have shrunk, ice on rivers and lakes is breaking up earlier, plant and animal range have shifted and trees are flowering sooner. Stop. Para. Climate change have resulted in more heat waves, droughts, floods or intense rain. The rising ocean temperature and acidity seriously impact the existence of flora and fauna in marine ecosphere. Stop. Due to melting of glaciers and subsequent rise in sea level, the future of port cities looks grim, which can impact millions worldwide. Stop. Climate change is likely to contribute subsequently to food insecurity in the future by increasing food prices and reducing food production. Stop. Due to increase in extreme weather events such as droughts, heavy rainfall and heat waves, the extent and frequency of vector-borne diseases may increase. Stop. Para. Climate change also result in enhanced land degradation and expansion of subtropical desert. Stop. Ocean acidification due to climate change also poses a serious threat on underwater life, particularly creatures with classified shells or skeletons like oyster, clams and corals. Stop. Para. Climate change create an imbalance in the natural ecosystem by disruption in timing of seasonal life cycle events, range shift and food web of many species stop. There will be an effect on the basic necessities such as water supplies, air quality and supply of electricity stop. थैंक यू। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो की जानकारी आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंच सके। वीडियो को लाइक और डिसलाइक अवश्य करें। कोई सुझाव और प्रश्न हो तो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखें और वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स और क्लासमेट्स को शेयर करें।